Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneur training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's empowerment training, we shall be teaching you on how to make organic lightening oil. Organic lightening oil is a lightening oil that is without chemicals. So before I go further, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook if you are yet to do so. So back to today's topic, organic lightening oil. We have our oil. It has carrot, mango, pineapple, orange in it. One other thing I wanted to add that I don't have is papaya, pawpaw. Pawpaw, I think we are not in the season yet, so that's the only thing that is absent. All you just need to do is to put coconut oil, which is the base, put it on fire, put all these things we said into it. If you really want to know how I did it, but I did them one after the other in order for you to know how to do each one of them separately, you can check our previous videos. I think I'll drop the links below, so check them below to see how I did mine. So that's it. Then I am having my oil. So all I do with my oil is just to add some normal organic nutrients. I'm having my vitamin C. I'll be adding, that is vitamin C. This is different from the normal vitamin C you use. This is for body. So I'll be adding glycerin into it. Then I'll be adding vitamin E into it. So those are the three things I'll be adding. Then I pour my oil into the container for usage. I've been using carrot oil for a very long time. When I use lotion, it makes me sweat. So I decided to start using oil. So I decided to start using coconut oil. This is my fragrance just to smell good. So like I was saying, I have been using that for a very long time. So later on, I decided to change by making it carrot oil, using my coconut oil to produce a carrot oil. So I've been using carrot oil for a very long while. Now I think I'm changing to this. So oil are very good for the body. It makes you glow. You can be using them, or you can add them to your lotion or to your cream as you wish. So that's all about lightening oil. This oil is not going to bleach you. It's only going to lighten you up. It's going to make you look good. Make you look glow. Thank you very much. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so, and also follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. Thank you.